Good day, everyone. I'm your host, Ian Dantes, and welcome to Ancient View. Sa mukha, oy!
Wave Beats Music.
Uy, what's up, Yaksana? What the signal?
I believe I should tell this time before. Get ready with me.
Good day, everyone, and good day to you viewers. Long before smartphones and Wi-Fi, ancient civilizations built the foundations of the world that we live in today. Through simple but brilliant inventions, they shape how we move, think, and build. Tonight, let's see our contestants know the ideas that started it all. Our contestants are trendy, entitled to their opinions, and full of personality. They name the inventions that literally built civilizations. Welcome to Ancient Feud! Okay, let's go to round one, movement and power. Question number one. Which invention, created by Mesopotamian craftsmen around 3500 BCE, made transportation and work easier? Go!
I believe this transport me to another dimension. High heels!
The wheels. Smooth road, smooth life.
Correct! The answer is the wheel. Going on for the second question. Which invention by Philo the Byzantine in the 3rd century BCE controlled water and temples? Go!
Vlog now! Water dispensers? Water wheel. Hashtag eco energy. Make me sweat. Make me hotter. Make me lose my breath. Make me
Water.
water.
Make me sweat, make me hot.
Correct! Watermill is the right answer. Okay. Anyways, our score is 2-0 in the favor of Team Amat. Okay, let's go to the round 2, calculation and brain. Question number 3. Which manual calculating tool help humans add, subtract, multiply, and divide? Go!
Is it wine and wine like may kang Daniel Upa? Nuh-uh. 6, 7. Abacus.
Trallallero, trallallà.
Tumpak! Abacus is the right answer. By the way, 6, 7. Okay, next, question number 4. Which device, the Antikythera mechanism, predicted astronomical positions in Olympic cycles? Go!
Pomodoro timer? No! It's analog computer. Like, even exo-fast choreography has this kind of precision.
Correct! The right answer is analog computer. So far, the teams are all tied at 2-2, Team Bagil and Team Amat. Round 3, Earth and Time. Question number 5. Which Roman invention created strong, durable structures like roads, bridges, and the Colosseum? Go! Glue? Glue?
Concrete. Like, seriously, building stays like this because of concrete. Right, guys? Yeah.
So the right answer is concrete. Next question. Which Chinese invention by Zhang Heng detected earthquakes and their direction? Go!
Third mission.
Wrong. Seismoscope. Hashtag earthquake alert, legendary alert. Cheers!
Yay! And correct! Seismic score is correct. Okay guys, so ating score 3-3. Team Bagil, Team Angat, and so far, what a great match. And mga tanas na tayo sa atong contestants, ma'am. How are you today? Good? Okay. Okay, let's move on to the round 4, belief and survival. Question number 7. Which Egyptian process preserved bodies for the afterlife? Go!
Esophagus. I think that might be esophagus.
Esophagus.
No, hindi. Mali ka, Pals. Mummification yan, boss. Alam ko yan eh.
La Cleopatra.
Correct! Question 8 na. Which Egyptian inventions lifted water for irrigation? Go!
Parang tabo eh. O balde. Sakto no?
Pare.
No, water is life. Shadu. Pwede na. Tama yun, shadu.
Okay, correct. Shaduk is the correct answer. Okay guys, so we're now down to our last 2 set of questions. Round up to number 9. Which Chinese invention revolutionized communication by allowing ideas to be written and shared? Go!
Skibidi scrolls?
That's where you're wrong. It's paper.
Oh.
It's paper. That's where we write.
Okay, let's go. Let's move on to the last question. Alright, let's go. Which Chinese invention helped travelers navigate land and sea? Go!
GPS? No. Compass? Talalelo, talala. Am I right?
Yes, you're right. But you're totally brain rot. Anyways, tapos na tayo sa ating event. Let's go! Let's go! That's it. Baguettes may scroll, meme, and TikTok, but history built the world. Altogether, respect the past, baguette style. And thank you so much for everyone who participated in our Asian feud. Once again, I'm your host, Iron Baguettes, and thank you so much for watching.
That's it, guys. Let's go.
Your host, boy, let's go.
Boss.